Unveiling Slang. Understanding Pondlife in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, one that you might have come across if you've been delving into English slang. We're going to talk about the term Pondlife. Now, this might sound a bit strange at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, let's dive in. The term pondlife actually comes from a very literal place. When we think about a pond, we imagine a small body of water, and the life in it refers to the various organisms that live there, like algae, small fish, and insects. These organisms are often unseen, and some people might even consider them insignificant or unimportant. In slang, when someone refers to a person as pondlife, they are essentially saying that they find this person to be insignificant, bothersome, or low in social or moral standing. It's definitely not a compliment, and it's used to express disapproval or disdain for someone. Now, let's see how we can use pondlife in a sentence. Imagine someone is telling a story about a person who behaved rudely at a party. They might say, "Can you believe what he did? He's such pondlife." In this case, the speaker is expressing their negative opinion about the person's behavior, equating them to something insignificant and unpleasant. It's important to note that using the term pondlife can be quite harsh. It's a slang phrase and it's informal, so you should be careful about using it in professional or formal settings. Additionally, since it's a derogatory term, it's best to avoid using it altogether to maintain respectful and positive communication. And that's a wrap on today's topic. We hope this video has shed some light on the slang term pondlife and how it's used in English. Remember, while it might be interesting to learn about different slang terms, it's always best to promote positive and respectful language. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video.